Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this GearBubble review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. GearBubble, a comprehensive review for dropshippers. GearBubble is a versatile platform catering to both print-on-demand and dropshipping businesses. It empowers entrepreneurs to design, create, and sell personalized products, ranging from everyday items like mugs and t-shirts to more specialized offerings like jewelry and even car accessories. With its streamlined product creation tools and integrated e-commerce features, GearBubble presents a compelling solution for those aiming to efficiently scale their dropshipping operations. A key strength of GearBubble lies in its extensive product catalog. This diverse selection, encompassing mugs, necklaces, bracelets, apparel, and car accessories, allows you to explore various niches and diversify your product offerings, ultimately broadening your target audience. The platform's customization options empower you to infuse your unique designs into each product, fostering a distinct brand identity. GearBubble simplifies the often complex product creation process with its user-friendly design interface. Uploading artwork, positioning it on products, and generating professional quality mock-ups can be achieved in minutes. This intuitive design tool proves particularly valuable for newcomers to the dropshipping landscape who may lack extensive design or branding experience. Automation is another area where GearBubble excels. Seamless integration with leading e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon streamlines operations, automating tasks from product imports to order fulfillment. Once an order is placed, GearBubble manages production, packaging, and shipping, freeing you to concentrate on marketing strategies and business growth. GearBubble's reliable US-based fulfillment network ensures swift delivery times for customers within the United States, a crucial factor in enhancing customer satisfaction and building a positive brand reputation. Furthermore, the platform supports international shipping, extending your reach to a global customer base. GearBubble shines in its provision of robust upselling and marketing tools. Built-in features, such as upsell funnels and integrated sales tracking, empower you to maximize order values and optimize sales strategies. These tools are invaluable for dropshippers seeking to refine their sales approach and increase profitability. While GearBubble offers competitive pricing, certain advanced functionalities, like custom integrations or higher margin options, are exclusive to premium plans. Nevertheless, the platform's comprehensive automation capabilities, extensive product variety, and reliable fulfillment services make it a sound investment for serious dropshippers. In summary, GearBubble is a powerful platform for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to offer customized, high-quality products with streamlined fulfillment and integrated marketing tools. Its diverse product range, automation features, and emphasis on customer satisfaction position it as a strong contender for building a scalable and successful online business. Click the links in the description to delve deeper into GearBubble's features and determine if it aligns with your dropshipping objectives. This review aims to provide you with the insights needed to decide whether GearBubble is the right platform for your business needs.